And within your team, you have to figure out how you want to divide it up. You have to do 4 loops of the race, and there's 4 buoys out there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You must go around each buoy once.
What do you mean go around? Like just go around the outside perimeter?
Like do a
Just
full
around
circle?
one and in. So
The outside perimeter.
So you go around.
Oh, you just go around the perimeter of the buoys?
Come back. Go around
Yeah,
the
you
one
don't
on the
have to
left,
go
come back.
around.
Go around the other one.
Oh, okay. So
What?
each time you go, you do a different
What?
buoy.
Different buoy each time.
Oh, but you switch up your.
Okay.
In your canoe, you have to have a minimum of 2 people, maximum of 4. There always has to be 1 drummer in the canoe. The drummer cannot paddle.
And we need to hear the drummer at all times.
Not for the open class.
So this is the team relay.
That's different rule. We'll make up those rules later on.
Hey, you gotta wait.
Hey, Scott.
Everybody has to
1,
wear a life
2,
jacket
3,
done up
4.
in their boat.
Yeah, Richard.
She's on the team.
You must return with your dragon head and tail. If you don't return with your dragon and tail, you have to go get it before you can come back and switch. You gotta go get it.
Figure it out. We're not gonna color again this year.
Okay, that's good. I hope you're with us then.
No intentional new ramming. Yeah, sure. Each time you must start on the land, and then you switch. Someone will help you on the deck to get in and out, and then you switch. You can switch whoever you want in the canoe, as long as everybody goes once, minimum once, and that's the only rule. You can figure it out. No. If you want to get because there's 4 teams, we'll have a little competition. So team 1 and 2 will go, 2, 3, and 4, and then the losers will go, and then the winners will go. The champions.
So we'll have the biggest loser.
Okay. Divide the teams. Team 1, Heather Bukowski, you're the captain. Heather, you're the red dragon.
Oh, and that's another rule. You need to wear your bandana at all times. Same than the head and the tail. You need to come back with it.
Team 2, Mark Felberg, you're the captain. And you're Team Canada. Team 3, Corey Bond, you're captain. You're the piggy.
That's very
Last captain is bringing up
Team 4, Scott, you're captain. You are the blue dragons.
Woo!
Look at it, even more like a blue.
I am geeky.
Okay, so you might want to read out the teams, go find your team, strategize, and then we'll start.